Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another Tinkercad Designer Showcase, so let's get cracking. Friends, of course, I'm on my website, HLModTech.com. If you have not visited, I have got a page dedicated to Tinkercad, tons of amazing lessons, and then down here, the sweet built-in message tool. Friends, you can click this, fill in the information, and reach out to me almost instantly. I also want to highlight up here, we have got the Tinkercad Community Discord. It is a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Friends, though, without any further ado, let's get to today's shout-out. Friends, today's design comes from 6th grader James. He has created the Eye of Ender. Now, I love this for a lot of reasons. The first reason is that he's using my 5x5 nudge. Friends, we make a cube that's 5x5, we set the nudge to 5, and then when you use the arrow keys, every click is where you place the new piece. It's a ton of fun, and then he also changed the radius to 3 and the steps to 10 so that the shape is beveled. If you 3D print it, it actually has a pretty cool texture. Fun stuff, and I absolutely love these Minecraft projects. They all started with a Minecraft creeper. I will have a link to that up above. Kids are now starting to make their own fun ones, and it makes my day. Speaking of fun ones, check it out. He also made a Minecraft illusioner. How cool is that? He added extra things where there's texture poking out. Notice this is half of a brick, so he's getting really creative with his skills, and they're turning out absolutely awesome. James, as usual, thank you for your cool skills and taking time to share. Friends, remember, if you ever make something awesome like this sweet wither spider that Jack made a while back, you can share it with me by simply clicking on this button right up here, generate a link, copy that link, and then reach out and share it with me. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, and TikTok, and you can also track me down on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. Friends, of course, if that doesn't work, don't forget you can also visit my website, HLModTech.com. It has got the page dedicated to Tinkercad with the epic built-in messaging tool. Add your information, hit send, and reach me almost instantly. Don't forget there's also the Tinkercad Community Discord, and below that we have the sweet Designer Showcase with tons of amazing profiles, and the Tinkercad Design Nuclear Reactor. If you need more info, check the tutorials below. Finally, friends, I want to say thanks again to James. Oh my gosh. Epic creations, and it was a blast being able to teach you this year. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.